My name is Justin Murtis, and I'm a coach and design sprint facilitator from Crema in Kansas City. We traveled to the headquarters of a major retail chain to facilitate a design sprint focused on improving an existing customer experience. Now, a design sprint is a 5-day-long problem exploration, ideation, and solution generation workshop that ultimately points to a clickable prototype that's going to be tested with users in the last day. On the first day, the team established a long-term goal, a vision into the future, and picked one key question that, if it was answered correctly, would make the long-term goal come to life.
Day one was awesome. I think we discovered a lot of things on day one. We figured out the problems that we want to solve on day one. I think it was the perfect beginning to the exercise and got us all aligned and on the same page.
Next, each team member created their best solution, and we finalized which one we'd be moving forward with. We fleshed out all the details and had key conversations with other groups to make sure we knew what was feasible, what was expected, and what should be prioritized in testing.
I feel like we've gotten is it technically feasible, and can we, from a business perspective, support this? I think we've gotten that out of the way, so we just need to make sure that what we're providing is really of value to customers.
In short, 88% of the users preferred the new experience to the current experience.
2 prototypes you saw, which do you prefer and why? Definitely number 2.
You know, I prefer the second version.
Cleaner, and a little more descriptive than the other one.
I find it complete.
By running a design sprint, this team is now able to confidently move forward with great clarity because they are informed by user feedback. And now not only is there a clear roadmap to achieving this in 2020, but exciting new ideas arose out of these workshops that have become a focal point for the new rebuild in 2021.
I think it's effective. I think this dedicated time to spend with the team, a good cross-collaborative, cross-functional team of stakeholders, all sitting in the room and not doing anything else but thinking about this one problem for 3 days, was hugely important. We rapidly got to a place that would have taken us probably weeks to get to in the past, and I think the alignment's way better doing it this way.